We've just been shafted, is how Kemi Badenoch, Tory leader, described the US UK deal in classic British slang. It's not just the usual opposition rant, but highlights the fact that UK exporters will still be worse off versus pre Trump 2.0. Far from the comprehensive deal he promised, it was long on hype and short on detail in classic Trump style. The more positive way to look at this is it could have been worse. As Sir Starmer said, this is job saved, not job done. From the market's perspective, the positive takeaway is the start of a de escalation process. Bessent's upcoming weekend meeting with China's vice premier is also focused on de escalation. All of this is a saner alternative to the combative stance in April. Extrapolation of this relief is what is making markets breathe a sigh of relief, best reflected in easing volatility. VIX is down to 22 from peak 60 levels last month. Unwinding of complex Biden era restrictions on chip exports is adding to this optimism. Balance this optimism, however, with the Fed continuing to sing the same tune. Despite acknowledging risks to the jobs market, strange that they're reactive to economic weakness but proactive in anticipating inflation. This doublespeak suggests a narrative that is curve fitted to a decision. So, is it all clear for a bull market? Far from it, we think. A cyclical slowdown appears to be underway, and we expect policy uncertainty to weigh on investment and consumption decisions and ultimately in weaker corporate earnings. The macro data point to watch relates to jobs, particularly in small and mid sized businesses, which remain amongst the largest employers. And confidence in this segment has been waning. Where could we be wrong? A decisive breakout above the 5700 5800 area for the S&P will challenge our base bearish bias. This may be a Diet Coke deal as described by the Tory trade spokesperson, but the caffeine of de-escalation helps, as does the lower volatility. These are opportunities to de-risk, not add to it. Like, subscribe and share. Happy Friday. This is Sunil Garg from Lighthouse Canton.